Lolini, aina class 11 amadi 12 ki education subject asibu taksagani. Hello everyone, nasina takadoriba sina class 12 ki unit number 4 learning memory and forgetting haiba unit asigi continuation ni ngasigi tawgadaba topic singdi habit memory and forgetting ni hauji ahanba topic ta habit habisen inarase. What is habit? Habit is the result of repetition of an activity under similar circumstances. Psychologically, voluntary activity due to repetition taking the form of involuntary and automatic activity at each end is called habit. Adudi habit habase aikoina khangise kaigumba activity amabu repeat tawrakanda aikoida activity du yamna voluntary oiba at automatic oiba activity ama oirakpa adugumba akoigi behavior, a kind of behavior adubuni habesni adi matang stage aikoina characteristics amu nainaraga habit checker ino habadu amu munna khangna bohanarase. Habit ki ahanba characteristics asi acquire experience amani. That is, habit is not innate behavior. That means inborn behavior amanate we acquire this behavior is from environment. Environment tigi acquire toba aikoina marumopang tinabadagi aina loinariba aina tahuriba thabak khudingmak tagi acquire oirakpa in behavior amani habesni. And next characteristics ta uniform hai. That means habitual actions are uniform every time in the same way. That means aikoina tawriba thabak se ngasi tawba ngarang tawba punamak se this same way oi haba habitual action habase. And then next characteristics is voluntary effort. In the beginning of the habit formation there is need a strong determination, willpower and readiness in mind. And after formation habit ama oirakanda di ngasai strong power voluntary effort se leite toigumasung habit ama oidringai kanda di aikoina thabak se tawba matamda yamna mental readiness se darkar lai habane. And then next characteristics ta automatic activity hai. Habit is an automatic activity. Kamaina hai no hai kanda once habit is formed it takes the form of automatic activity because sidadi voluntary effort of mind, readiness, mental readiness se later. At the beginning dadi voluntary great strong determination, will force sing siam darkar lai once habit is formed oirakanda di ngasai gi habit ase akoina karimata attentive attention yaudana kaimta me bigi mind gi thabak se yaudana tawi habane aduna habit is an automatic activity. Next characteristics ta no intellectual activity. Habit needs no mental or intellectual exercise of individual. Habadi habit sidai jai khoi khangre masi automatic activity ni masda habit actual action habase khoina mind se darkar laite mind sina tawba thabak nate haigre kaino ha kana masi this is the physical activity ko akhina akhoigi mapan thogi oiba muscles power sings na tawba dugumbe activity amane. There is no need of mental ability habitual actions daida aduna de akhina habit haisi kaino haisi this dege akhina am like hange adudi karigumba activity amabu aina sapmanaba matamda hanjan repeat tawra akanda or exercise tawra akanda aingonda yamna nungaina next time da yam nungaina agi life ki tonga be activities da agi tawriba adugumba a kind of behavior amani habisni. And for example simatang de habit ke example se angang singa kai tawi akoi thumb sucking and while writing bending on the desk. This is formation of habit due to repetition of the activity under similar circumstances. Hariba activities sing ase habit kawe asigumba activities sing ase nong manatraga numit amakhak tawkhrakanda angang duda yamna mangonda yamna adjustment do lakpanate sigi kaino se activities se mangonda kayarak hana attempt tawrakanda kayarak hana process tawrakanda hariba activities mangonda permanent oiraini adugumba permanent activity dubu akhina habit aina kawe. And there is a common saying that habit is called second nature. That means habit is man's second nature. Why habit is called second nature of man? Because in a natural activity there is no need of voluntary effort of mind. This natural activity is inborn and instinctive by nature and it is based on the satisfaction of the biological needs. adunadi sigi natural activities singdadi sidi mentally oiba akoigi inborn quality amani sidadi no need of training, no need of education, no need of practice na singba sing se darkar laitre adunadi sigi activity haba natural activity hai sidi very simple, very accurate and very easy to perform. Koigi natural behavior has the yamna line me amana kaigumba amta tamuba kholuba laitana adum tawjaba adugumba activity amaneba. And then habitual actions also due to repetition can perform like this natural activity. Me amagi natural activity gumna habitual activity has so mana perform tawngame. That is why habit is called man's second nature. Then habit formation, how to form habit. Habit has say koina form tawgani haireko. This is acquired behavior amani haigre. Aduna habit as the agi one's life da koina any kind of activity da adumaina form tawaya ba adugumba activity amaneba. Aduna this formation of habit is not an easy task. It needs favorable environment, strong determination, will force, and a good deal of sacrifice on the part of an individual. Aduna sidadi angasai characteristics ta pankre willpower yam darkar lai before habitual action damo oidrikanda di kaigumba activity ama tawa matamda aikoina willpower, strong mind, mental readiness darkar lai aduna aikoina good habit ama form tawa matamda hairiba qualities sing asi darkar lai adubu good habit ama how to form haikandi we have to follow some strategies. Adum hairiba strategies things hairiba kaino sing se kitang pange ahanbada habit ama form tawge haikanda di aikoina habit ase very early stage of life, that means the early childhood stage they akoina afaba habit ama se form to hangane ba kaigino hai kanda very early stage of life se is very plastic, very elastic and also very receptive period of life. So matam sida akoina habit shi form to no honagani first step ta. And then akoina hai gre habit is formed due to repetition. Hai akoide habit ama form to matam da repetition ase asuki matik important oi repetition yaudredi akoina habit ama good behavior ama good habit ama koina from form tawanga moidone aduna koina afaba habit ama form tawnabagi damakta develop tawnabagi damakta ngasai gi angang sing sida kogi as a elder moina, as a guardian moina, as a teacher moina mokoi sing this various type opportunities mayam se mokoi da habit afaba develop tawna ba aikoina moida pb gadabune encourage tawbigadabune. And only such habit should be formed which will be used to the child in future. Koina habit ama form to bahai sai it should be those activity karamba makhalgi activity no harakanda aikoina magil tungi life ta applicable oiba dugumba activities sing do form to honbi gedabani. For example, reading habit oiba yai ko, and then akoi waste time since purposely season ba gardening habit oiba yai adagi koina walking habit oiba yai, jogging habit oiba yai asna sing basing se mokhai se tung da yamna kana ba duguma makhalgi habit sing se koina form tawna ba hotna hogodobune. And next in the formation of good habit, children should be encouraged by reward. Reward has say any kind of any activity that it is important, it give incentive, it is a source of inspiration, it give a feeling, a pleasant feeling. Sugumba pleasant feeling ama angang sings ta piba duguma makalgi techniques amani aduna any kind of habit formation we have to given some reward to the central. And next right beginning is another step to be taken up for habit formation. Habit formation has say akoina activity ama any kind of activity ama habit form to ge haitari akoina just angang singda ngasi da natraga hayeng da haidana sumaina right beginning ama piba hauba mana hen ga doba aduna hau hangar kanda adugumba habit che mangonda nungti gi repeat tobo ngamna na ba hauba mana hen ga donya aduna right beginning is also another step for formation of habit. And next is in habit formation, laughs should not be allowed to occur and actions should not be performed persistently. Sugumba habit formations that any activity must select tawriba activity do aina hauгre ngasidagi hauгre reading habit example when I say reading habit ama aina morning sida laihan ge haidana 1 hour gi reading sa haugra kandadi ngasagi no gap gave la hello them ngasi paraga hayeng tokpana singba sugumba singse tawroidabani habani ko. And then next steps da makhaktanga yengse there should be full cooperation between the home and the school in the formation of children's habits. Aduna angang sings da afaba habit ama mogi life ki useful oiba applicable oiba adugumba habit ama form taunabagi damakta kai dakar oige ha kanda parents teacher and school sing se cooperation ko mogi relations sing se yamna phaba darkar le makoi sing sina loine encourage tawbira kanda angang sing sa afaba habit ama semhan bangangani habni. And not only this, in the formation of habits ko good habits si form taunabagi damakta William James has given for laws of habit formation. They are form resolution high. William James na so high ko habit formation gi law mari legane na law sing adudi form resolution. Next seizing the first opportunities. Next never allowing exception and daily practice. So high ko form resolution habit any activity amu select tawrakanda aingonde strong determination and form resolution ama thabak se tawrage haidana aingonda minds the strong determination ama leiba dubuni ko. And then seizing the first opportunity habasna akoida hobaya bagi tanja si afaba timings de aigi asang ba khangde convenient oiba matam da ko adumaina activity se tawbagi laptop decision lawbudu neba ko. And then never allowing exception habasna kainu ha kanda akoida in the course of habit formation there is no exception have the irregularities se lairoi do buni havni adu size da tongan ba activities singa koigi punjhala kanda punna tawba ko pa habdi mayek sengna tawdori ba thabak tudang ta aingonda aigi behavior da permanent oigina ba mat ngasagi activity do adum tawgodobni havni. And then daily practice in the formation of habits. Daily practice is necessary. Practice na mi amada yamna adjustments se yamna adaptability and lahali aduga adjustments ngam hali. And then not only adaptability adjustment ngam hanbata natana hairiba adugumba experience and knowledge and activity do lasting oiba alive oiba long live oiba adugumba experience and then behavior ama adu oihali. And then mathangda muk lakadoriba habit ki topic ase breaking of bad habits. Adi akoina habit hai se akoina two sides laigane bad habit haibama and good habit haibama. Habit hai se akoina same basi yamna difficult oiba taksamani haire ko aduna aduga mas once bad habit asisu sengragasu habit amabu osmaina remove to have say it is also a very difficult task. This bad habit is indicate the dark side of man's character. Aduna sigi mi habit haisidi mi amagi character ama sembada yamna sauna influence biba adugumba behavior amani. Aduna sigi bad habit haise yar makai remove togodamni life ta mi amada bad habit haise adum form torokpa yawi adugumba bad habits sing do akoina tongan ba ways and means season adana akoina remove tobo darkar lai. Some of the ways and means can be mentioned here. Number 1, putting stop to repetition. This means activities performed by the child due to the formation of bad habits should be stopped. Akoi khangre habit hai se activity ama tong no activity ama repetition tawra kanda mangonda yamna adjustment piba mangonda yam line tahonba ngamba adugumba activity duni aduga masina akoigi behavior sembada yam sauna mateng pangba adugumba activity amani ba aduna hairibe activity adugumba unwanted oiba activity ase akoina stop tawnabagi damakta attempts should be made koi yankana honaga dongni stop tawba. There is no other means otherwise to stop the repetition. Repeat the stop the. And then next means is thought of harmful consequences. The bad habit has always harmful in life. It is destructive side of life. Masi aduna sigi consequences magi harmful effect ill effect mayam se angang sings the yam phazana aware oihanbam darkar lai have. And next alternative habit formation. Once bad habits is akhoi angang sings the lady mangonda man hainazari ba thabak tuga gi atopa arrangement ama to halakanda mang ngasagi undeserved eba habit to akhoi remove to bangangane habni. For example, a drunkard ase akoina tongan ba magi mana pamjari ba yamna alcoholic oiba yamna addiction oiba adugumba behavior du nataba atopa juice kumba tongan ba ama pitha akanda ma se remove tawba ngasai unwanted behavior to adumaina alternative habit formation ama sembira kana ngasai bad habit to remove tawba ngame. And next changing the environment change tawba habne. We know that habit is an acquired behavior amani hai ko adu aita di aikoina habit ase aikoina environment tagi phangakpa akoigi experience learning experience amani sni adu aita di aikoina mana experience oiriba dugumba environment se akoi change tokthokpa darkar tare mai company oiba yai adaga mana lairiba tawriba thabak tu oiba yai magi marum pangsing oiba yai adu mayam du change tokthokpira kanda unwanted behavior do koi remove to ngangani han. And last one is using punishment is important ko asugumba bad habits sa remove tawna bagidam punishment is very important because it give a ill effect to individual learner. Punishment has the akoi ill effect ni sigi painful oiba experience gumba se kana su pamde aduna hariba punishment se pira kanda aikoina angang amadagi bad habits sin sa remove tawba ngangani khoinkhang kre habit si form to acquired behavior amani masigi bad habit form tawi bad habit to remove tawba yai by some psychological techniques dana remove to buyai na sumaina khangkhre adubu habit formation is very important in life and education of a child. Habit formation is the asukematic important oi kaigino hai kanda khoi sai hai gre habit is second nature of man aina akhoi si permanent oiba adugumba behavior amani aduna sigi activity se habitual action hai se akoina natural behavior amagumbane aduna masi asukematic habit formation ase yamna important oi good habit formation siniko. And adugumba important oiriba maram singdo asai the point amani khatanga amu haige. Number 1 the habit increases efficiency of work, reduce time and effort and the number of error. Habit sina aikoigi work se yamna phajana tawba ngamali because kaigino hai kanda aikoi ngasai natural activity ama gumna habitual action se tawi haibani na ko aduna next point so mayang se it reduce fatigue means physically and mentally tiredness to ni ko aduga sigi fatigue haiba se habitual actions da leihande. And next is it makes movement simpler. Aikoi habitual actions daida tawriba thabak se asukematic easy oheli and simple oheli accurate oheli haibani. And last importance is habit makes our movement more accurate ko sida sudum hare habit sina aikoigi tawriba thabak sida sida yam effective oiba pot ama oheli haibani. And on the other hand habits say asukematic important oi but it has also some demerits or limitations. Some of them are habit is not adaptable to new situation. Akoi learning akoi environments the new situations are there. These habitual actions which is permanent in our behavior is not adaptable to new situation of the environment. And next point, habit is opposed to intelligent behavior. Yam bright oiba yam intelligent oiba adugumba learners sing dadi habit chi akoi kaishu form tawde makoi gi intellect na makoi gi ngamna aduma any kind of activities se thinking reasoning loina ngamme aduna habitual action is opposed to intelligent behavior. And next is bad habit when become permanent appear to be difficult to remove. Haiding asai bad habit to di akoi se daida permanent oisal laigrabni na ngasai gi remove tawba se mi amadagi hongdok hanba ko base it is a difficult task yam luba yam waba thaba amani ko. And last one is bad habit may form certain undesirable traits of character in man. Akoi bad habit hai si na akoi gi character sagat pasida mi amagi character hai sa ngasai gi habit chinna lep dai saruk yam jauna mateng pange haibadi ngasai gi character hai se mana undesired habit activity mayam du dai habit oi lai taragadi magi pamdaba thodok mayam ama mangonda show torani mayam da akai ba pi ba thabak mayam torani haibani aduna hairiba topic sing asin naina baga loina na ngasigi di matang asde loisilasi mathangi numet amada anobo lesson amaga akoi punu unarase.